Hey guys, Czar here, just watching this little sell-off happen on the Three Sisters, NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow. This is a 1-minute chart, just happening here in the afternoon at 3:05. We are in power hour, and I'm going to try to get a handle on this here and see if there's an opportunity. We are at key resistance on the 10-minute chart and on the 30-minute chart, of course, and we're being rejected there at that level. I'm going to show it to you here. You can see it clearly. I'm going to focus just on the 30-minute chart for now. Right there, being rejected. 30-minute chart. Looking at the S&P. Platform frozen. Give it one moment, it'll flick over. So we're still looking at the Dow, and now it's going to try to flip over. This is the trading view. Has been doing this a little bit lately. I think I have too many windows open. Here we go. Okay, getting to the top of the range here, towards it. Again, key resistance above. That's the S&P, and now we'll look at the NAS, which has been the weakest performer today, actually in negatives, while the other two are in positives. There we go. Now you can see it. Okay, so that's a break, retest, and beginning to sell off here. Bring you back to the Dow. Really lagging now, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, just to make this really clean, is to revise these zones. We got through that horizontal line, and now little zone revision. Flip down to the 15-minute chart. 7 minutes left in that one. 10-minute chart, 2 minutes left. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look towards a short here in the next 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 14 seconds to be precise. So I'm going to pause you here for a moment so we can watch this. Well, I'm going to watch this and then I'll come back while this candle closes. Here we go. Pause. Okay, guys, 47 seconds left here in this candle. This is the 5-minute chart on the right-hand side now. So 10 minutes on the left, 5 minutes on the right. I'm going to place a sell stop order below this candle. Here in power hour, we should get some increase in volume here. Not always, but most of the time we do. And this is not live yet. I'll tell you when this order is live, because this might actually penetrate before we close. 15 seconds left. This order is not live yet. So I'm going to shift it a little bit before it goes live. Okay, and I need to pull back here. I would like to see an upward. There we go. Okay, this order is live now, guys. Sell stop order. Sell stop order now, live. So the simple way to look at this is that this is a zone reversal trade, right? Zone reversal, looking for some kind of a reversion back to the volume weighted average price, which I'll show you in a moment. But here's the top of the zone. We're looking for zone reversal as opposed to a zone breakthrough. Now this could break through. Absolutely, there's been some buying here this afternoon. But for now, I'm going on the thesis that if we break the lower here, things are good. If we break the low of the prior candle, pardon me, on the 10-minute chart, then we are possibly going lower. All right, watching closely now. This is not my actual target, by the way. I'm just targeting 1-to-1. Here we go. About to get tapped in. And I'm in, guys. I just got tagged in on my platform. Watching now. Not loving that little action there. So that's where I got tagged. So I wanted to move that marker up a little bit. Take you over to VWAP. I'm going to do is put this marker on the other slide there so that it makes sense. There we go. You can see that we're basically targeting the volume weighted average price, trying to get back there or at least close to it here this afternoon in the last 45 minutes of the trading session. It's now 3:13 p.m. I think what I'll do, guys, is for your sake, I'll put you on pause and bring you back as this starts to play out. All right, guys, we're back. We had a little bit of an adverse excursion there, as you can see. Now making our way down. We'll see if we can complete this thing. Had to be real patient on this one, like most of the stuff today. I know traders are getting hurt today. It's been a very, very messy one, and hard to deal with. Just communicating with my group here while waiting for this thing to play out. I'm going to show you the lower time frames as well. So we have the 10-minute on the left and the 5-minute, pardon me, on the right-hand side. I'm going to check that, take that all the way down to the 1 minute. It's a little cleaner here now, so I'm going to bring out the 1 minute. There's the entry. We'll see if this thing is going to work out for us here today. Having to be very, very patient on this messy day, waiting for optimal setups only, and taking nothing else. The art of sitting on hands and doing nothing. I'll put you back on pause for now, guys. All right, guys, we're back. I'm driving down here a little bit finally. Quite a few minutes passed before I unclicked pause there to join you again. And starting to move in the right direction. Go over to the VWAP and see how we're doing here. You see that there? So that was the plan, right? Let me just move this over. There's the entry. And see that we're trying to get back down here to VWAP, which also happens to be the last pivot, which was right on VWAP. Remember this earlier today, 2 p.m., where price is literally to the tick. Oops, that's the wrong marker. Bounced off of VWAP. We see that quite often. That's the actual volume weighted average price of all transactions that occurred in the futures session, which started last night, Sunday night at 6 p.m. It's a very long session. It's all of this. So that was the actual volume weighted average price of all the transactions that occurred in all this time from way back here at 6 p.m. last night, right? There's an equalization that goes on when those are hit. And I've done videos on that. You can go to my VWAP playlist on the YouTube channel there, and especially watch the anatomy of VWAP to understand what's happening in the minds of the participants when that's going on. We're into the last 13 minutes of the session now. It's 3:47, And so I may take profits here fairly soon. But I'm going to give it a few more minutes here and see if we can get a little closer to the promised land. Three Sisters. You see that all three of them are selling off, which is what we want to see. If we are short, kind of a concerted effort amongst all the participants. And there's a continuation. So we're looking for about 80 points here. We're down to 40. Tell you what, I'm going to go for 50 points here and see if we can get down there, and I'll just close this thing out. I'm going to reduce my stop right to the top of the bodies here. See if we can nail this 50-point trade right here. So we're just getting a little close to, we're actually 2 minutes away from an algo that pops up here, and I'd like to get this within the next 2 minutes. Let's see if we can shut this thing down. 1 minute. It's actually 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute left, and now it's already, the buying's coming in. So I'm going to watch this closely now. Expand the 1 minute chart so we can watch this very, very closely. Not that watching makes a difference. Entry. Looking for those 50 points. Let's see if we can nail this thing. 35 seconds left, guys, and you're going to see this pop. You'll see it happen. I'm hoping, right? And it's okay to hope once in a while. I'm hoping the pop is going to take us down instead of up, but it's a gamble. It's a gamble here, guys. Just need a couple more points here. Total gamble. Here we go. 15 seconds left. No, you know what? I'm going to close this thing out. Let's try to get 40 points here. And my own platform, be with me for 1 minute. Okay, here. See this thing to pop down now, take 40 points, and done. Okay, so we would have hit it. See that pop? That was the algo. That would have taken us right through the target and beyond. But there's no way to know that. So I'm happy with taking 40 points off the table here. Thanks for watching, guys, and have an amazing night. We will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Take care. Bye-bye now.